have just arrived that I needed to start building this, my RAM and my power supply. So, I think we can get started. I choose to go with the AMD Ryzen 5 3600. I do plan on upgrading this in the future, but for now, this should be perfect. With the Asrock B550 Extreme 4, TridentZ RGB, and decided to keep going with the RGB theme for the Corsair RGB power supply. Continuing with the RGB, I did pick up a water cooler. The graphics card will be the Gigabyte RTX 3070 Overclock Edition. I'll be holding this all will be the Corsair 220T RGB. Alright, let's start building this thing. Jumping ahead, my camera ran out of battery, but all I seemed to do was put on the CPU cooler. I also put in the power supply and just plugged in simple things like the 24 pin, some of the USB spots, and I plugged in some of the fans. I have a few more things that I need to connect to the motherboard, and then I can get on to stuff like the GPU and all that. Get this first startup. There we go. Alright, I got all the cable management done and I put the back on the PC. So it is time to install the Windows. It's finished, so we should have the Windows installation on this USB. So I'm going to get the computer hooked up to this monitor. Should recognize the USB and it should pop up with a Windows installation. There we go.